Hey, this is GoPro Lou. Touching base with you guys. Showing you my new little toy that my wife brought me. She got this for me last week and I just haven't did a video on it. It's a Spin Doctor bike repair stand. It's the Pro G3 Deluxe repair stand. Spin Doctor Pro G3 Deluxe repair stand. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's aluminum. It's real light. Folds up. You see I still got the tag thing right there. This goes down real big. You know, you can open up real big to get more balance. And you undo this piece right here, and there's some teeth in there, and you could twist it, all that fun stuff. And as you can see, it has a built-in scale. It's pretty cool. You could do pounds, ounces, grams, kilograms, all that fun stuff. So built-in scale, it's pretty cool. I like it. But yeah, this is the good old boy. It does all that fun stuff. So it's at Performance Bicycle shop there. They have it for $300. So $300 she paid. Once again, it's a Spin Doctor. And you can see all this fun stuff that it says all about it. Alright. And so that's my new bicycle stand I'll be using for all my bikes and stuff now. So still got the little cheap eBay one. It does its job, but she just wanted me to have a real good one, which I don't mind. Heck, it's a real nice one. It's a built-in scale, so it's pretty cool. Alright, you guys. And that was a quick little clip of my new bike stand. Spin Doctor Pro G3 Deluxe repair stand. Alright. GoPro Lou signing out. Don't forget, I'm just your average guy, just like you.